Good morning. I kind of feel sick to my stomach. So, I was looking at BTX yesterday as well. It's a it's not my usual because it's not a Nasdaq. It's an Amex. It has no news. It is a low float, a little bit more dangerous. So low float and Amex is not in my circle. But what I like about this is the one, two, three, four, five overextension. This is like straight out of penny stocking framework almost, it looks like to me. And it had this beautiful crash yesterday from 43 to 32, which I couldn't play because my interactive broker said they didn't have any shares. So I was like, all right, let me try it today. So I borrowed some shares from um, Trade Zero. It cost 750 for 100 shares, not expensive. I didn't want to play a lot of shares. I saw that it was hanging out under this 32.30 level. And I was watching it pre-market around here. I wanted to get in here, but I said, well, I knew it was close to resistance, but I said it's above VWAP, it's pre-market, I don't want to get shaken out. Let me wait until the market opens and wait for a red candle. So we have a first green candle. I don't touch it. I wait for the red candle. You know what? I don't mind anymore because this was going to squeeze everybody anyway. So it's okay. I did my best. The problem is that I did not cut this right away. I hesitated on this. Not even that hesitated, like I got angry and I got stubborn because I had only 100 shares. I was like, I'll tell you what happened. So I got in at $30.40. And where is that? $30.40. I'm pretty much catching almost, this candle went all the way to, I mean, not exactly. I'm catching it mid range, and I'm okay with that because I'd rather be in the red candle than not because usually there's more and it goes down. This looks like a reversal. So then, as it's coming back up, 30.50, I should be getting out. 30.60, I should be getting out. 30.70. Like I kept pushing my risk higher and higher and higher. Um, See how it's coming back to resistance up here? So I was like, okay, I'm only in 100 shares. I usually risk about $30. So let's make my risk 30.75. It still squeezed me out. It went all the way to $31. So now, now I'm down like $60. And I'm just like, Liz, just fucking get rid of this thing. So I got in at 30.40 and I got out at 39.89. So 50 cents that I lost on this. It went all the way down to 29.40, which is $1 away from my entry, but I just could not survive this push. I just couldn't from where my entry was. And for any of the shorts that were getting in on resistance here, they are now being squeezed, unfortunately. So whenever I think of Amex, I think of Scamex. So I didn't want to play this, but it's just so overextended where it just looked like a really juicy setup, right? Okay, that was one. And then this left me mad at myself because I'm not following risk management rules. And then I had another day trade. So I said, okay, we're going to try a completely different setup. I actually tried to get in this one again, but what's it called? On Interactive Brokers, they didn't have any shares. What the hell did I trade? Then I traded GRTX. Why did I trade this? It has no news. It is like not a 52-week out breakout, nothing. It had a green day which turned into a red day flopper. It's a flopper. And it's had a red day right now. There's nothing going on. There's no reason for this to keep going. So, and I also liked that it was like nearing under yesterday's lows. Same thing like BTX, right? So, I don't even know if I wrote it, but so I got in somewhere around here, 778. And where is 778? 778 is like here. So I'm not catching the morning, I mean, the first candle in the 90s. Either way, I wouldn't have been able to survive this one either because this pushed all the way to $8. But by the time I'm seeing it, it's 778. So right around here. And it's looking beautiful, right? And then we get a reversal. Where is VWAP on this? It pushes way past VWAP anyway. And you know, when I put the order in, I'm a little bit nervous. Um, I keep muttering to myself like how many fucking shares I have. Like I need to have a pen and paper to write it down. So, um, because I want to know how many shares do I have? What price am I in? What is, my risk is 10 cents away from my entry, and I want to be able to type it in very quickly in case it's going against me. It started immediately going against me, and I didn't hesitate on this one. And even though my entry was 778, I typed in my limit order as 774. I got executed at a better price. So because I've typed 774, I'm expecting to get out at 784. So I got out at 784. So good risk management on this one. It seemed like a solid play, made sense, didn't work out. I'm definitely frustrated this month about shit not working out, like it's bothering me. So what I'm going to do for next month is stick strictly to morning panics. And I think it's a waste of time for me to do like 2 trades in one day on the morning panic, like missing the actual like red candle going down. Like I want to catch that first red candle going down because this had from 90 to 70. This had 20 cents of profit. So that's what I'm going to change for May. And I'm going to keep my size at 300 or lower if I can't afford it, if I can't afford the stock. But all in all, I would say that I feel sad this month about this. Like I feel sad I didn't make any profits. If I only traded 100 shares this month, I would be down like 125, which was kind of like my normal range from like the last few months or so, around 150. But now that I sized up, it seems like more, but it's actually the same kind of thing. So I want to tweak my strategy a little bit more and see what I'm not seeing because I feel like the setups are there. There's no news. It's not a top percent gainer. The daily chart sucks. Like there's volume resistance. So maybe I need to be a little bit more selective. Maybe I'm missing something. Or maybe NASDAQs are just unpredictable, like I think they are, and it's really pretty much a gamble. Even if everything is in your favor, it's pretty much a gamble. That's how I feel about this shit. So it is what it is. And I'm going to post a photo on Twitter of like the entire month's gains and losses chart. But I'm sad. I'm sad that I have nothing happy to report or no wins to report. Only 3 wins and like fucking 20 losses. Like, holy shit. April was fucking tough, man. Tough for a short seller. So I don't want to blame myself so much because that's not healthy for trading. But I really got to figure out like what I'm missing. And I think I'm going to do a recap video of April and like really analyze the charts and my entries and the daily charts and see what I can pull from that analysis. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, please comment on it, and please subscribe because I'm really trying to help my channel and I would appreciate that. Thank you so much. Bye.